Hi, welcome to the ICCAP Python tutorial. In the last video, I introduced how to use Python to load all MDM files using import data macro example. In the real modeling process, in many cases, we'll need to do a lot of repeat, copy, paste, and delete work to organize the data. We only need to use the transform to do some convert or calculation work. So sometimes even before loading the data, we'll want to copy paste the same calculation method to all the duties. Let's start with a copy setup example first. The demo MOSFET here, we can open it. You can see the data here is what we auto-loaded using the macro import data. So we'll use this data as a base for the second example. Let's take a look at this template first. We have template model file and template duty, template setup, another one template setup. This one is with 3 empty transforms, and this one there's a template transform for test. And we also have a IDVD for different VGS curve with a plot, IDVD plot defined here. So the first example will copy this template setup to all the duties in this demo MOSFET file. So how can we do it? We can close this one first. Let's open this demo MOSFET file and go to the macro. I have a copy one setup to all duty macro here. And we also need to import the building functions we'll need to use. And first of all, we want to make sure which setup we want to copy and define this setup here. The setup we want to copy is inside this template model file, and under template duty, there's a template setup file. And the path is get the current model file path. And get child is a function we can get all the duty under this one model file. And we use a for loop to loop all the duties I've listed here. And the S1 will be the new setup we want to copy under each duty. This new setup will be under each duty and with a copied setup as its new name. And then use the S1 create and use the copy to copy this SS1 to S1. Now we can run this macro to see what happened here. And you can see under each duty, there's a copied setup. And if we go to the extract optimized part, we can see the 3 transforms are copied here as well. And check the others. I'll copy here. In some cases, we don't need to copy the whole setup. We only want to copy one single transform or one single plot to all the duties. We can also do that. This one is a copy single transform example. It works the same way. We just need to define the transform and use the for loop and use the copy function where we want to copy it. And then after execute this one, we can see under the copied setup, there is a copied transform defined. You can check the other one. It's the same. And for the plot, it works the same way. We need to define the plot we want to copy and where we want to copy to, and use the copy function to copy and for loop to copy it to all the duties. After we click this one, and we can go back to check under each IDV curve, there's an IDVD plot defined. Let's check another one. So all the IDVD are copied under this one IDVD curve. If you already copied something or defined something and you find it's not correct, you want to delete all of it, you can also do it. You can define the delete all macro and define the things you want to delete and use the for loop to delete it from all the duties. First of all, let's test this one transform. Now we want to delete the copied transform under each duty. Let's go to the copied setup. There's no more copied transform here. And then let's test the plot. We want to delete the IDVD plot we just copied. And after click this one and go back to the IDVD VG curve, there's no more plot here. For the same way, we can test this copied setup. We want to delete the copied setup we just copied. And there's no more copied setup under each duty. Finally, if we find that the data in the duty is not what we want, we can delete all the duties as well. If I click this one, we can go back to check. There's no more data here. So this is about the copy, paste, delete, and for loop function in ICCAP. It's very simple, but very useful. If you want to learn more Python examples, you can go to example here. And there's a Python folder. Under this one folder, there's a lot of Python examples. You can open each of the MDM file to check what's inside it and to learn more about the details. Okay, thanks for watching